Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the essentials, get sys, executable and sys, arg so the interpreter and arguments are preserved. Once done, prepare to call OS, exec sys, executable sys, executable plus sys, arg, which replaces the running process without spawning a child. Make sure to flush stdout and stdir and close open files or sockets first, otherwise you risk lost output or locked resources. This step sets up an immediate, clean restart and avoids double process complexity in production. You now handle the middle complexities. Serialize only the essential program state, small dicks, positions, or flags to a temp file or environment variable before exec. Once done, rebuild arg to include a restart marker so your startup code can restore or skip initialization steps. Make sure to release or refresh locks, remove PID files, and close threading resources. Otherwise, the restarted process may deadlock or think another instance runs. This preserves continuity while keeping restart fast and deterministic. You perform the final operation. After all cleanup and state writes, call OS, exec sys, executable sys, executable plus sys, arg to atomically replace the current process image. Once the new process starts, detect the restart marker, load the saved state, and resume normal operation. If things go wrong, make sure to inspect stdout/stdir logs and the temp state file for corruption, verify exit codes, and confirm sys. Executable points to the expected interpreter. These are the fastest ways to diagnose restart failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.